Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hugo and today we're going to see what's going to be the best stocks for this week after a long period of not publishing any video due to being on holidays and moved to a new home. As you can see, I'm back to start to record again uh, finally, and now we're going to see what's the best stock. So for this week we're going to have only one stock, and this is the LTC.US. Actually, I've spoken on this channel before about this stock, LTC Properties. It's quite similar to MPW, which is another stock on the healthcare sector or in the healthcare REITs, and this is it's more interesting than the MPW because has a dividend yield of 6.28%. They pay monthly, which is good, and they are undervalued in 54.7%, and the ex-dividend date is on the 20th of January. The financial health is 2Gs, so they have more liabilities than assets, around 128 as assets and 39 as liabilities, so they are quite good in terms of health. The market sentiment is on hold, and we have a future growth of 5.9%, so I think it's a good stock to have on our portfolio. And in terms of the past performance, it's minus 4%, so it didn't have the greatest performance. This is one of the reasons why I didn't bought before, but probably I'll change MPW to for this one, which pays more dividend yield and they pay monthly, and the other one pay quarterly instead of this one that pays monthly. So this is much more attractive than actually the MPW. So now let's have a look into the market analysis and what's happening in this week for the Bitcoin and the SP500. So now we're going to see some short positions. We're seeing here that the market have a down tendency. It may fall around 1.63%. It's still under pressure with the support of the 46 or the 4,600. But I don't think we're going to reach the extension for the 4,500. We can see this also on the RSI, which we are still selling below the 9 days moving average. So it's undersold at the moment. So I think this has all the tendency to go up on the next upcoming weeks. Although we have a resistance of the 4,700. Which the index is going to face some challenging with that resistance. In terms of the Bitcoin, we may see a rise around the 1,546 pips. It could be up a little bit more, but I doubt it. And we have a big support around the 42,000 with probably with as an alternative scenario. If we go below this value, the next support is going to be around the 40,000. In terms of the RSI, and as I mentioned before, it's above the 50. We have the MACD as a positive and above the signal line. The configuration is still positive, but the price it's above its 20s to 50 period moving average, around the 42,731. So I do think this is going to be a really positive week for the Bitcoin and any altcoins. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy this update for this week. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like, and anything that you need. And if you like more this type of videos, more short, please let me know, thumbs up, or leave a comment or something, and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So once again, thank you and cheers, and see you next week.